Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Tabby account from your Android phone or any device. First, important, you must pay off any outstanding balance before you can delete your account. Check your Payments section in the app to ensure you owe nothing. Next, open the Tabby app and go to your Profile section, usually the person icon in the bottom right. Then, scroll down and find Help and Support or Settings. Look for an option like Close Account or Delete Account. After that, if you don't see this option, you'll need to contact Tabby support directly. Go to Help and Support, Contact Us, and send a message requesting permanent account deletion. You may need to verify your identity for security purposes. Once processed, your account and all personal data will be permanently deleted. Remember, this action is irreversible. Make sure you really want to close your account before proceeding. If this guide helped you manage your Tabby account, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.